Welcome to the Little Wood House. I'm going to show you a really quick way to decorate your house for the holidays or the whole year through with some simple wired ribbon. All I did is measure out my ribbon and tied it. I tied it pretty loosely so it can slide off. Don't forget about the handle on the other side. These are the little clips that I'm going to use to fasten things to our ribbon. You can make them for any season that you want. Have a Christmas tree, a fall leaf, and a snowflake that will last all winter long. These are the little clothespins. You can use large or mini and decorate them with any embellishment for your seasonal need. Okay, so I'm gonna add all my clips. These are my Christmas clips with the little trees on them. You can add pictures or cards. I've got some holiday cards that have already come in. You wanna make sure to put your clips on each opposite side so that you have room for each card. And we have some pictures that we use again and again. Now that's an easy way to decorate a tight space for Christmas and display your Christmas cards. So here's another view for a different season, maybe a birthday or another holiday. We've got our embellished clips on here and we're gonna add some fun family photos. Now that's sure to make anybody smile. And find maybe some of your favorite embarrassing photos. I really love this ribbon, but it didn't come with very much on the roll. So all I had to do was tape it. Thanks so much for stopping by the Little Wood House. I hope you have fun decorating for every season of your life.